last one here?
Não. Mas é aí, né?
Qual é o nome da pessoa? Só o nome da pessoa?
Charlotte. Ficou um pouquinho mais atrás. Ela vai perguntar se tu é Rômulo, viu?
É, né? Tá bem.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. I've only used it once.
Can I have a look?
Yeah, go for it.
Nice.
Hi.
Isn't there a fish, what do you call it? It's got a fish manure on it.
Legend, perfect.
Yeah.
Let me just.
We bought it when we had the camper.
Oh, yeah.
Years ago.
Yeah, right.
It's exotic, so.
And it's, yeah, we put ice on it last like 7 days.
Yeah, good ones.
You accept the ID?
No,
just
cash
cash
only.
Yeah, okay, yeah. So I have to come later. Grab some money in there.
Okay, if you want to come back because someone else is just waiting, that's all.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, no
Do
worries.
you, I think I might have KRD. You can check if it goes through, you can take it. Will it go through straight away though?
Yeah, usually it goes. It's up to you guys, no
But
worries.
if it doesn't go, you'll have to come back and pick it up tomorrow or something if it doesn't go through. I won't let it go unless it goes through.
You can go get cash and come back within.
Yeah, it's up to you guys.
I don't know. I don't even know what
Let me have a look.
You
Oh,
take
you rubbed that 20 burpees out.
it. Take it.
E aí, Meta? Parar de gravar.
Who's using this? You or your mum?
E aí, Meta?
KRD, like you got phone number?
Parar de gravar.
KRD, it's fine.
It'll work.
What's 30 Russian space?
To his phone number, is that what you want?
Perfect for the house.
Yeah, it was about 15 bucks.
Yeah. Yeah, Big Bang was about 13, 14 from Q2.
That's
Perfect.
not a bad little weight set. What's that? So it's just a, there's all weights in the,
A look beanie,
So, sorry, yeah, that's it. Yep, yep. That's ours. You trying to get rid of it?
No,
No, he's taking the exercise. He's taking the exercise ball.
I don't know where half of that.
Football.
The one that's
100,
Oh,
right?
Zara
Yeah,
does.
100 bucks. Yep.
Sarah's still on to it, isn't she? Good girl.
Yes,
football
she
start again?
exercises not.
Was this hers?
No.
No, the weights are.
Cool. Yeah, that's me.
Thank you.
Nice.
See ya.
Thank
You're
ya.
welcome. Thanks, guys. Enjoy.
We're throwing that one out. Do you want that one?
That one? For free?
You can have it.
We're throwing it.
Okay. Yeah.
It's just that the handle,
Thank you.
the handle is a bit rusty, so it needs to jam up and down.
It's all free. It's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.